Why you're not eligible for YouTube Partner Program. Yet, even with 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk about something important for all of you who are working towards joining the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. You might have hit the milestone of 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, but if you're like me, you may have run into an issue. Even if you meet the basic eligibility requirements, you're still not able to apply for YouTube Partner Program. So, what gives? Now, to clarify, the basic eligibility requirements to join the YouTube Partner Program are 500 subscribers, 3,000 valid public watch hours, 3 valid public uploads in the last 90 days. Seems easy enough, right? But there's something important that often gets overlooked: your channel's history. From my experience, I came to know that YouTube not only checks these basic metrics, but they also review your channel's history. If you've had any strikes in the past or any violations of YouTube's policies, it could hold you back from applying, even if your numbers are great. For example, in my case, I currently have 980 subscribers and 3.8K watch hours, which should technically make me eligible for YouTube Partner Program. However, when I try to apply, it says, build your channel history. That means YouTube needs to see a certain period of clean content without any strikes or violations. Why is this important? YouTube wants to ensure that creators who are part of the partner program follow the rules and maintain a consistent, positive history. So if you've ever received a YouTube strike or had any other issues with your content in the past, it could prevent you from moving forward. Tips. To make sure you're on the right track, stay away from strikes and violations. Always follow YouTube's community guidelines and copyright policies to avoid any issues down the road. It's essential to build a clean channel history before you apply to YouTube Partner Program. Good luck with your journey to becoming a YouTube partner. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.